Hi, today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Tea Tree Face Wash Foam by Thursday Plantation. I actually only got this a couple days ago just because I ran out of my micellar water and I decided I'd give this a go. Now, one thing that I've noticed with this product is that it doesn't really remove makeup that well. So if you were going to buy this to, I guess, use it to get rid of or wash off your makeup, it won't really do the job. I found that I guess this product is more for cleansing your skin after you've taken off your makeup properly. So I use it in the mornings and at nights just when I want to cleanse my skin before I put on my moisturizers for the day. So this is a soap-free cleanser with tea tree and eucalyptus oils and soothing chamomile extract for daily use. Now, what I do like about this product is that it's made in Australia. Since I'm from Australia, I do love supporting Australian companies. I'm not sure if Thursday Plantation is an Australian company. I'm not really sure about that, but I do enjoy the fact that it was made in Australia, and it makes me feel more connected to this product and honestly more likely for me to buy this product. So I found out about this product by simply walking into the store. I walked into a pharmacist and I was sort of looking for a micellar water and sort of looking for a face wash foam, just something that could help get my makeup off. I know now that this probably wasn't the best choice just because it really isn't a micellar water, it's more of a cleansing solution. But anyway, I walked into the store and I was simply looking for something like this. What really drew me to this product was that along with being an Australia's original, it contains tea tree, chamomile and eucalyptus oil, which is supposed to be really soothing for your skin, helps with acne scars. It just overall makes your skin feel better. This product is on the smaller side, I would say, of micellar waters. I'd say my micellar water is actually probably just a little bit more bigger and fatter than this. So this product actually can fit really well into makeup bags or toiletry bags. It is a bit thicker though than most products, so it may get a bit chunky after a while when you put in everything in your bag, struggling to kind of fit everything in. But if you have a big bag, you don't have to worry about it. But it's not really something that if you wanted to go on an airplane or take a small bag on a train, it probably wouldn't be the best option. This product, you take off the cap and you simply pump it out. So normally when you use this product, you're supposed to have a wet surface, but I just want to show you what the foam looks like and how it sounds and how it all works. So you simply, I'd say, well, since I'm using my hand, I'll put on one pump. It does make a little squeaky sound after you pump it up. I'm not sure if that's a major issue for some people, but that is just something that I don't know if mine's a bit weak or the pump's a bit weak, or I'm not really sure, but it does make a squeaky noise. So then once you have your wet surface, you simply just rub it in, and if you do have a wet surface, it'll actually foam up a lot more than it is. But you can see it's really getting into the skin. So now I've gone ahead and I've washed it off, but you can see that my skin's really looking nice and smooth. Compared to this one, which looks a little bit more rough, I guess you would say, this one is just a lot smoother. But overall, I do mostly enjoy this product, but I do not think I'll be repurchasing, but it is a good soothing product.